All right, so we're going to start this unit off by looking at some review from some statistical stuff that you've done in the past, set basically mean, median, mode, and then range and some other things like that. So just a quick rundown of what things are. You may or may not remember all of these things, but the mean is the average, okay, and then normally it's represented by a mu or an x bar. All right, a mu is a Greek letter, kind of looks like a blend of an M and a U, I guess. I usually just draw it like that. Not a very good mu. I think it technically is like this. All right, but as long as it looks like a sloppy M, it's fine to be a mu. All right, median is the middle number when everything's been put in order. The range is the difference between the maximum and minimum. Interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. You got to know the quartiles to do that. It's kind of the middle half of the data. And then standard deviation is the typical distance away from the mean. It's kind of how spread out things are. All right, and it's often used with the symbol. It's kind of that guy right there. All right, so I'm gonna be honest, that's a sigma. Sorry, I couldn't think what the name of it was for a second. Other stuff, mode is what's the most often. Frequency is how many times something occurs. Histogram is a bar chart. Quartile 1 is the first 25%. Quartile 3 is the last 25%, or 75% up to that point. Okay, we won't use much of this stuff, but it's things that you want to at least have an idea of what it is because it's going to come out of the calculator. All right, so we're going to run through some quick review on this, and then we're really going to basically get into normal curve and some different things like that as we move throughout this unit. It's a pretty easy unit if you can use the calculator correctly and remember some basic definitions and things.